Welcome to the first lesson in the first course, Alphabet and Pronunciation. My name is Mustafa Nasser and you're watching Arabic for Nuns. Today, we will cover the first 4 letters in Arabic alphabet. All of them are easy and all of them have equivalent sounds in English. Subscribe my channel, activate the bell and like the video. The first letter in Arabic alphabet looks like this. A straight vertical line and some circular shape on top. And we pronounce it as A. A. It almost has the same pronunciation as the first letter in English, A, but this one is A. A. And this circular shape on top, we used to call it Hamza, and it gives out the sound E sound. So mainly, this first letter gives 2 sounds, either A or E. E, E. We will see more in the course. Let's see an example. This word, A, Asad. A, Asad, a lion. The following 3 letters form a group of similar shaped letters, as you can see. 3 of them have the same shape, which looks like a container or simply as a boat. Let's take them one by one. The first letter looks like this, a boat, and 1 dot below the boat. We pronounce it as B. B. Normal B sound in English, B, like in babe, babe, a door. The next letter in this group looks like this, the same shape, but this time we have 2 dots on top. We pronounce it as T. T. T sound in English, like in this word, Taj. T, Taj, a crown. The last letter in this group looks like this, the same boat, but with 3 dots on top. And we pronounce it as The. The, like the English sound TH as in the verb, thank you, the, by bringing my tongue out of the mouth, the. Like in this word, the, ثعلب, the, ثعلب. So, let's wrap up the lesson. We have 4 letters, A, B, T, and The. Now, time for practicing. I will show you how to write these letters manually. I could do it with animation, but I prefer handwriting. Practicing, as I believe, is a main aspect of the learning process. So, ready your pencil and your notebook, and let's practice. Okay, welcome to the first writing practice. Now, we will learn how to write the 4 letters we covered in this lesson, but before that, there is a couple of things I need to highlight here. First, we write Arabic from the right-hand side to the left. I imagine most of you already knew that. Second, this line here. This is going to be our standard for writing, because some of the letters will write them on top of the line, while others will write them beneath the line. I'm going to call it the standard line throughout the course. And finally, the starting point. We need to know from where exactly we should start writing every letter, and what is the arrangement we shall follow. Let's start with the first one, letter A. I'll be having my starting point from up the line. First, I will do a straight vertical line down. So we start from up to down, a straight vertical line until we reach the standard line, like this. And then, on top of that, we add what we call Hamza. What's Hamza? Half cycle, sits on a sloped line like this. And here is it. Here is the first letter. Let's do it one more time.
we start from up to down, a straight vertical line, like this, until we touch the standard line. Don't cross the standard line and don't stop above it. You stop exactly on the line, and then we add Hamza. Okay, fine. The following three letters are similar in shape, as we know. We'll be having the starting point again from up the line, but it's not going to be as tall as this one. It's almost half. And then we will go down to make our boat, as we know. This one boat, here is another boat, and here is the third boat. Okay, what is the difference between these three letters? The difference is the number of dots. Letter B has a single dot below the line. Letter T has two dots on top, and letter Th has three dots on top. And these three dots, they form a triangular shape. If you match between them, you'll be having a triangle. And one more thing about these three letters, the boat is fixed exactly on the line, as you can see. Okay, let's do them one more time. The first letter, letter A, we start from up the line, straight vertical line down until we reach the standard line. And then Hamza, half cycle, a sloped line. The second letter, letter B, a boat, and a single dot below the line. The third letter, a boat, and two dots on top, letter T. And the last letter, letter Th, another boat, and three dots on top.
So in short, three things to keep in mind when writing Arabic. First, we write Arabic language from the right-hand side to the left, unlike English. Second, keep your eye on the standard line. And third, identify the starting point before writing any letter. Some people may have different approaches of writing Arabic alphabet. It's okay, but as a beginner, I would advise you to first know the rule, follow it, and then you can manipulate it the way you like. And always remember, the main purpose of any language is communication. So as long as you understand what I'm saying, it doesn't really matter which way I pronounce or which way I write. Right? See you in the next lesson.